Hello my dear students, welcome to Brilliant Guide Technological Board of Computer and Vocational Education. If you are new in our center, so you have a information. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more educational videos, so don't waste your time, subscribe now.
Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Brilliant Guide. Today we will learn some special tricks of MS Word which are very important for our job interview. So let's start the class. First we have to open the MS Word. For this we have to click on the start button and here is the search window, or you can say the run window. Write WinWord, WINWORD here without any space, okay, and press enter. My first trick is how to draw line in MS Word without using the underline and the save command. For this, press the minus sign for 3 or more times and press enter. For double line, press the equals to sign for 3 or more times and press enter. For bold line, press hash button for 3 or more times and press enter. For dotted line, press multiplication or the star sign for 3 or more times and press enter. For curved line, press the tilde sign 3 or more times and press enter. The tilde sign is in the bottom of the escape key. Okay. So this is my first trick, and my second trick is how to draw table in MS Word without using the table command. For this, press plus and then press minus so many times, then again plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and press enter. Okay. To insert multiple row in this table, just press on the tab button. Okay. Here the plus button represents the number of cell and the minus sign represents the length of the cell. So press the minus sign how long you want your cell. We can use the tab button in the replacement of the minus sign, like this: plus, then press tab, then again plus, tab, plus, tab, plus, and press enter. Okay. My next trick is how to insert randomically paragraph in MS Word. For this, write equals to rand, RAND, and then bracket open, then the number of paragraph you want. I want 2 paragraph, that's why I write 2, and then bracket close and press enter. Okay. If we want 3 paragraphs and each paragraph have 6 lines, so for this we have to write equals to rand, then bracket open, then the number of paragraph you want. I want 3 paragraph for 3 and each paragraph have 3 lines. Okay, so press 3, then bracket close, then enter. Okay. We can use also the lorem to insert paragraph equals to LOREM, then bracket open close and press enter. My next trick is how to select anything. To select a specific word, suppose we want to select the galleries word. For this, just double click on the word. Okay. To select any specific line, just click on the press Ctrl button and click on the line. To select any paragraph, click 3 times on the paragraph. To select horizontal line, just drag like this. If you want to select vertically, just press on the Alt button and drag the mouse. Okay. My next trick is how to insert register, trademark and copyright sign in MS Word very easily. For this, we have to write like this. First, press the bracket open and press R, capital R, and then bracket close. Okay, then write your company name. For copyright sign, bracket open, C, bracket close. For trademark, bracket open, then TM in capital, then bracket close. So these are some special and magical tricks and very easy tricks of MS Word. If you like this video, then press on the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.